you developing one paper?
It is a special. Yeah, 5 p.m.
No.
Let me see the library really. Art space 2 art space 2. You guys have a lot?
No, the
Right.
3 hours.
Okay. Yeah. If you want, you can computer here. I haven't stopped preparing. Right now, I try to get the
And also, I would like to the more clear view. Sending is a kind of sending. So thinking is more other space.
Yes, Sydney is responsible for international gases.
Okay, so when I ask
what do you want?
Yeah, just I'm asking them to make a print out of my data from USB memory. Maybe
It's asking you.
Yeah.
Because you can send her the stuff by email.
Can you do that?
It's easier.
Yeah, but it's so much topic content. Yeah, I know. There's so much topic content.
But doesn't matter. If you send by email, you can just do it. Yeah? I could tell you when you come back.
I will. And I need to do that. Okay. No, I have 可以的。
嗯。 Huh? You get online with Martin.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Do you have your computer with you?
No. It was yesterday. It was from Tianzhu.
I know, but it's not here now.
I just have my
Yeah,
tablet.
your little tab thing. Can you still do that? Hmm? It's not here yet. It's not here anymore.
He's not here yet. What's the time?
4:18.回来了。
Perfect.
Some tiny one.
The board directly, yeah. Oh, this is good, yeah.
And those normal shot let you know how to see some.
那个
Yeah,
哦，那
so
个
it's
天才
the
小
same
生来了是吧？
as I thought, yeah. Oh.
旁边这个是谁？我。你叫什么名字？对呀，我说天才小生来了，我眼睛不好啊，是看到天才小生了。来，天才小生来。我眼睛不好，我感觉像你跟你。哦，我没有天才小生。天才上。哦。你今天来帮那个。我在发射过。我没有发射。对啊。但是越长越大了。哦，对啊。对，因为在 Facebook 发了你啊。对不起，很好啊，发太多了，很好。看你儿子那么快乐，有这么关心的父亲。你看，我们这一次可是延伸威尼斯跟那个台北双年展的大合作。这蛮好玩的。好玩，就是好玩。对。威尼斯是蛮难的。挺难啊。我觉得要把那个实验工作。现在是那个先一组曲。
没有。
就是那个穿着裤的手。啊，我知道在哪里，就是在门口进来的那个大有没有？门口进来不是有个那个守卫的吗？守卫的那个，你从门口进来守卫的右边，所以你从现在下去，你就是还没到守卫的那个门的左边那个建筑就是2楼。哦。
你进来就。
仙宇，先上那个。先上那个，上了，他还不在是不是？
对，他还没起床。
乱讲。
Yeah. For a moment. So.
因为这次有工作，这次就是工作过程是哦。这个吗？对啊。可能遮一下还是有用的，不然就是你遮一下，然后那个再上去，遮2层，然后再录录看，只是先要让它出来，应该是没什么问题。那我觉得，因为我们昨天跟他，其实玻璃的隔音不好，因为玻璃它高频的东西，加克力的用你来播，可以啊。像这边镜头这镜头这边是，它接在电脑。
你的也可以接它的机转，其他的用电吗？
我没试过，
有干嘛？暂时有。
而且电脑浏览器切换那个，可以切换字，因为我发现这不行。
这个设定了。
More option
device
外界有。
也有，我可以看到。
on.
Hi. How's it going? I can't hear you.
Hello, Martin.
How's it going?
Yeah.
You have like an echo there.
I think the mic sound is too loud. Let's do it again here because so Martin can see also what's going on. So can you hear us, Martin?
Yeah, there was this echo earlier.
Okay. And we will go to somewhere, be right back in 3 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Hello。
Hello。
可是，对啊，这是我 iPad 的声音。Sorry, give us a second.
它自动切，所以会变成刚就是一直都是你在画面，然后反而摄影机是小。
对，
Sorry, Martin. We are
No.
solving some live broadcasting issue.
Okay.
We'll be back soon.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Just give me a shot.
哦，这个重开一次啊。好。
应该会找得到。
对啊，然后为什么还是 Firefox 的问题啊？ Pro Webcam 这个吗？
哎，可是这个麦克风有1920就是Revolt。
对，这个。
哦，对有。
只是，
但是推迟没有。
重新弄一次啊。
Okay.
Monitor building.
Is 这样嘞，这样你听得到吗？这样你听得到吗？有，是不是？只是我想一下，那我重来。这样应该就有了。
因为我们两个都开着。
It's a battery powered.
You can connect by USB.
可以啊。
够好笑的吧？
这蕴含了很多意义在。
It can also record into SD card. It also can
record to a disk. Okay.
It can also use as
your Android.
我的有露脸。OK， 我一会儿回来了。
好。
We have another extension cable also. For power.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, Julie is using
Yeah,
it.
it's really No, it's okay.
Okay, it's enough. The one number one. This we don't need. One is definitely.
Hello, Martin. We are back.
Can you hear me? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Good. How are you? Oh, what's happening?
No, it's better.
I can hear them.
Hello?
I got signal, yeah.
Okay, nice.
But again, with piezo's very sensitive to vibration, so I can hear when we touch the thing, but in the background there's cracking noise from bugs on the disc. So we have a signal, but needs also kind of filtering.
Okay.
Vision. It's also a soft signal, not very.
Oh, yes.
Because they are walking on the disc.
Oh,
I already had in the hotel room. But you can hear additional sounds. That's definitely signal from the bus.
Oh, nice. Good. Yes. So,
Piezo is working.
Okay.
You can hear the crawling of them.
Okay. Can you make a recording and send it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just to hear.
you can record it directly in the SD card.
But then how do we get it to Martin?
Maybe go to my computer and I upload it. Or just wire monitor to.
Yeah, that's better.
Wait, I don't have input.
Yes, it's occupied, huh?
Yeah, it's occupied.
So SD card.
Yeah. Or let me think. Can also. Yeah, maybe SD card. Because this, do you have a laptop?
Just cable, USB cable, or what?
Because this one can be an audio interface for computer as well, so you can directly record it.
So another one is like USB-C.
Okay. So this one is USB-C. No. Or yes, but no, I think just do it in yeah, maybe it's easier. Recording. Master. Recording channel.
It's on.
Yes. Yeah, because I never use it directly. Me chilling. Right. Normally it's here, okay, you select it. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are recording it.
Okay.
Just recorded. As you will hear, there is this ground hum in this move, and then you hear the crackling of bugs crawling. So.
Okay. And do you have the what is the piezo going into amplifier, or can you show me the?
Okay.
Pardon?
You can show him by this.
Okay. So this is the construction. Now it's in just in this plastic box. Because it was the quickest to do. So I tried to use this battery power, but now with the mixer. So there's this Walmart contact to the plugged in, the electricity, and that's the source for this, I guess. But 2 minutes and you can hear it yourself.
I can't hear you so well. Somehow you're quite
Is it possible to turn the speaker louder? For I don't really understand Martin. Oh.
Okay. Do you hear me now?
Yeah. I hear now. I have an earplug.
Okay. I can hear lots of echo, but
yes, me too.
From you, or yesterday was much better.
You can hear echo and delay.
Yesterday the quality was fine. It's strange, no? I couldn't.
We turn the speaker low. So now?
Echo still. But from your, I mean, it could be from mine, or I don't know. Keep talking.
You hear me? The delay is here, but I don't have the echo.
No, and there's still too much echo. Like at least like 5 different echoes from your voice.
Better now?
Yeah. Keep on talking.
I just switched off the mixer.
Okay, that seems a bit better.
Because
so maybe
at the same time it also takes the jet signal.
Yeah, it's still not. I don't know. It's very. I type in the chat. Hold up.
So he cannot hear us.
I can
He
hear
can
you.
hear us, but with echo. Ah, okay.
I can hear you, but it just comes like now. It's a bit better now, but
Better?
quieter. No,
Yeah.
keep
So I
talking.
don't hear any delay anymore, but
No, I don't hear the delay, but maybe I can turn you up here, and then it's better. It was just before, it was very loud.
1
but
2 1 2 test.
No, it's better.
It's better?
Yeah.
For me also, yeah.
I mean, before there was also lots of like environmental, like now it's very silent, the background.
Ah, there is this webcam thing also.
Okay.
This
But
is
no,
the additional thing, the third picture here.
Yeah.
There's the webcam.
yeah. Yeah, I have you both. I mean, I have you in two, like, I have two different views of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the sound is
This
good now.
I've just brought to show you the
Yeah.
construction.
But you have like a shielding from the piezo, like on the ground.
Not at the moment. I brought shielded cable.
So it should, I mean, it might get rid of some of the hum, and then the only other option is that we have to enclose the whole thing in, but I don't know how bad the hum is, or
for me, it sounds like this 50 hertz, 60 hertz ground hum from the electricity system.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably just like picking up from the cable from the, or from like the ground of the piezo, like the disc is picking up the 50 hertz.
But no matter which distance to the next cable or...
Yeah, shorter is better. I mean, if you have like, so just explain. So on top you have like amplifier, because I can only see like this, these black like plug blocks. Okay, so it's like amplifier.
There is this preamp, impedance matching thing, battery, and the output is just
so basically
the mixer.
The shorter the distance between the piezo and the amplifier, then the less noise.
The distance between piezo and amplifier is like a 7 centimeters cable.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, shielding the cable would help, but yeah, shielding and then just a smaller distance is good. I mean,
yeah,
you can make
I try to keep it as short as possible.
Yeah.
I can make it still a little bit shorter.
I mean, you could have the electronics in the box, no?
I can what?
Put the I mean, you can put the amplifier into the box, no?
Would also be possible, but the thing is, I would have to make more holes, otherwise the box coming out.
Okay. And you just need the power, and then you need the and power can also go in. And you just need a hole for the wires to the jack plug, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's possible.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, this I try next.
Okay.
Good. But what's the difference, you think, if I put all this inside the box?
Yeah, with the shorter cable to the piezo. That's what I mean. So you don't need this cable which goes in from the, because basically everything which is before the preamp is going to be amplified hugely. Well, not so hugely, but it's going to be amplified. So it's like the most that you can kind of reduce the noise at the, like a
coal, or should I use the soldering iron?
We don't have?
We don't have the 3 or 4 holes.
So I will figure out. Power plug problem. I have to wait until the soldering iron is hot enough. Not beautiful, but works. So this. Extend cable? Which one? That's the point at the moment, to make it as short as possible. Otherwise, we get too much interference. So I'm trying to put the piezo disc inside the box and just to have the jack cable coming out. You see, we have appropriate tools, plier instead of a driller.
Yeah, soldering iron might have been quick enough. Wait.
Yep.
Sounds good.
You take care after you don't escape. Cute. So, power on. Thing is, for the disk to be positioned right. runtime is still the same.
Okay. But did you...
Did not change anything.
But you shorten the cable to the piezo?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's as short as possible.
Okay. Yeah, the other thing is to try and shield the box, I guess.
To ground shield the box?
Yeah. So either placing it in like a metal box or with like...
all this, or cover it in foil or something.
Yeah.
I have some aluminium foil.
But then connect the...
The other thing is then we cannot see them anymore. But
true. But I don't think we should worry at the moment. It's not so...
Yeah, just test it.
都在呢。
Oh, it's not big enough. Shielding.
Okay. Yeah. But how bad is the hum?
Could we do a recording for Martin?
But in your opinion, is it like?
But anyway, we should filter it out.
Yeah.
Because I cannot make it shorter, and I think if everything is wrapped in metal, it makes no sense, because then it should be visible, the parts crawling. So
yeah, I think also the foil probably won't do so much, or it might even make it more.
Would need a thicker one, yeah. I guess. Because aluminium is not so lightweight.
And the other thing is to use the shielded cable between the piezo and the amp. And also use shielded cable on the outside, on the jack cable.
This part?
The part which goes to, that part should be shielded. So the part which is going from the, basically everything. Possible to shield, no? Like every cable which is going in and out, apart from obviously the power, should be.
But normally after the cable, after the amplifier should not be susceptible to interference, or as I understand.
It depends how much gain you have on the mixer. I mean, if you have lots of gain, then it will be. I mean, how much? Do you know how much amplification you have on the piezo amplifier, for example?
It should be, I think, 20 times on the preamp.
Okay, so that's probably where, most of the noise will come from there then, I guess. So try shielding.
Wait, there's something.
It's like a forced slavery. Wow. They are eating a lot.
You can hear it.
Of course. I'm on the Lacu lab. I'm on the Gypsy. I'm on Gypsy.
Yeah, but the signal is also on Gypsy, no? No.
I can hear it.
Why? That's strange.
Yeah, I can also hear.
Martin, can you not hear it?
Yeah, I can hear like a crunching sound.
Yeah, they're eating the food.
Oh, so you are...
What do you think? Of course they are eating the food.
But you can also hear this, the ground hum?
No, try again, one more time.
It's not possible because it's not connected to somewhere. It's
just
only connected to the phones.
Maybe they're in the headphones, huh? The bugs. They've taken over. I can hear it now.
Yeah.
It's strange, like when you put the headphones on, I hear it. It must be going through the headphones to your... Do you not have like...
It's going to my headset.
Yeah.
So...
It's quite funny. Yeah. I can't hear the hum, but then there's so much other noise anyway that it's hard to... When I try...
That's we should make a recording for you.
I did one.
How to get rid of this hum?
I'm just going to go up. I listen to the sound file, but I can't have this on at the same. So I'll see you in a moment. I just listen.
Yep.
Without.
Yep. Where is the signal coming from? yeah, and here and here. But it's better quality if we have it direct, not with double microphoning. But it's definitely there. So we just have to get rid of the lower frequencies. Because the crawling is really, well, there is the signal. Yes, for the moment.
Also, actually, it's pointers.
But it's not from the bugs, but yeah. Kind of this drony.
Taro?
Yes.
Yeah, the hum is not, for me, the hum is not so major. Like on
also it's not so unpleasant for me. It's kind of this drony sound, background sound, but
yeah, it's
you
weird.
hear everything?
Yeah, but the thing which like I get more voices and more background sound, and like I can't really hear the hum under the background noise and the voices. Like for me, those are more present than the hum. So it's like, you know.
Yes, also, but now it's totally without isolation. So it's from the plastic box. It's not dampened. It's not isolated in the box. And, so of course it takes the background sounds much more. But wait a moment, I have to recapture the escaped ones. This is really like crazy for me.
那个不好意思，你先把麦克风。
收的，抱歉。
Now it's better again. Chili. You had your microphone on.
Okay, so yeah, I think with like I tried it in. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Like I tried the filter in Audacity, and it sounds a lot. And there's a lot you can do with yeah, I think the hum can be got rid of. Like I think it's not a big. I don't think it's a big issue at this. It's not something which
because I cannot shorten the cable from the piezo to the preamp anymore. It's the shortest possible.
I mean, the other option would be just to shield the circuit itself before the jack. Like if that's in like a metal case, then that would definitely. Because I think the thing is that there's no point. Like all of the tracks will pick up the RF, so just like a small metal box should be fine. Like I don't know, from coffee or from
yeah, shit. I would have one, but it's in
like
the
from mints or from
yeah, like this.
Something like yeah. But I don't think it's something we need. But I don't think it's like for me. It doesn't. It doesn't sound so bad. I've heard.
So the bigger task is, or the next task is kind of isolating the box itself.
Yeah.
But anyway, afterwards it will be in the aquarium, and it's more rigid, more mass, so it shields.
Yeah, I think we need to think a lot about this.
It's better success because it works. We get some signals.
Yeah, that's good. I know, it's still like
this is just for testing.
It would still be nice to get the ultrasonic thing working, just to have a different kind of spectrum.
Different sound sources, yeah. We have another ultrasonic microphone here. It's just it's in progress working. So
okay.
As soon as it's set up, we will show him.
Okay, looks interesting.
Yeah, so the piezo, I leave it for a moment because it's automatically shielded when it's in the container. In the container, we thought we will put everything. This is signal number 1.
Yeah, I also have like one piezo, which is on like a radio transmitter. So, which was in
one of the parts you fabricated.
Yeah.
So maybe that's the next thing to test.
Yeah, we can try this maybe. Yeah, sounds good.
Maybe he did not hear you.
No. What?
Do you want to try the
I'm pulling my ears.
Because there's only one microphone, right? Or it's in both plugs.
Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Mm-hmm.
And you hear nothing, and
Oh, I mean, I hear you, Taro. Oh. I just make coffee. Okay.
yes, I'll prepare your radio transmitter piezo thing. And to put this inside, yeah. But wait, which one we take? Maybe this is better for fit in everything. A little bit crazy. So wait, it's okay. Power on. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
So next box is prepared with your radio device. So we need a radio.
Yeah. And you found like sorry, you found like the little switch on the battery thing.
Yes,
like
yes.
Okay. So it should be like
this. This is very practical because we don't need to drill holes, or it's just inside.
If it works.
If it works, yeah.
It should.
But the more different sound sources, capture sources we have, the better, I would say, because otherwise it's too monotonous. You have to plug in with the other because there's no space anymore. It should be close to the radio.
Yeah, not so close, but close enough. Like let's say 1-2 meter.
Yeah, 1.5 at the moment.
Yeah, fine.
You need, you know which frequency?
It's going to be anywhere from like 90 to 100 megahertz, around.
19 to 100 megahertz, yeah.
对，那这个不要有婚前性行为，所以这种的经验一场意外，留下额头上的疤痕，最狂性者。10个月，那个婚姻应该是要在神的见证之下来结。
It's gonna be.
We just hear Taiwanese radio at the moment.
Yeah.
查到都会有高成本的管制。那么，出现在元旦当天的110颗。就可以了。我安排了很多跟台北有关系的歌，包括前面很多施秀。那可是这样。
Wow, what are the factory?
这点时间我们要休息啊。
Yeah, everywhere.
手机拍第一个，我们觉得下面呢，要搞一定要梦魇的开始，灵魂的梳理。我的全新专辑。CD。跟住了。可以配合一些故事，一些典范，那会。热风到大道之。
Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Sorry.
Drive my car here.
Another radio.
With the digital one, maybe.
And the other thing is we can try, if you take out the transmitter from the box, from the buds.
Yeah.
Because it should be able to tune it also, which might be easier than...
That's a big task now because they are on all your... Wait, I try to show you what's happening inside the box because they are everywhere.
Okay. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah, yeah.
But I try to remove the bugs and the circuit. Oh, they're already inside.
Really? In the battery?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Working with mushrooms is much more relaxing. They don't run away. They don't try to escape.
Yeah, it would be funny if they did.
Yeah, they are right on your bug. The board's bug. Bugs to bugs. In the hotel room, the bugs killed my bug. And it was myself, I guess, because I'm not so skilled in electronics and messed up something. But I like the term bugs kill bug.
Oh.
With experimental circuits, yeah, no, it happens regularly that something gets destroyed. We need something like a pencil, or a brush, probably, for Wow.
Which one is this one? Comes with microphone.
This is what I built. This is what you could listen to before. It's working, yeah. There we have a signal. Now we try another sound source, one of Martin's circuits. Good.
Okay.
So now it's outside. What should I do?
Just wondering, like, was there like a funny screwdriver thing in the box which I sent or not? I can't remember.
Funny screwdriver thing in the box?
Yeah, like the box of the things which I sent over. Like whether I included like this, it looks like a screwdriver, but has like insulated kind of green plastic handle.
Green plastic handle in the box you sent. Wait.
Yeah.
I see copper circuits.
No, maybe.
And birch bark. Wow, this looks interesting. Wow. Martin was asking for a thing looking like a screwdriver. It should have been in the box. Have you seen it?
Maybe it wasn't there. I can't remember. Oh,
inside.
Maybe 10 centimeters long, but
10 centimeters long, so it's a small thing.
Maybe longer, 15.
But with a green handle.
Yeah, maybe I didn't include it because I wasn't thinking it was so important. But we can use something else. Don't worry.
Needs to be metal.
Not metal. But what we need to do, so when you look on the, if you look on the circuit board,
yeah,
towards the bottom of the triangle, you'll like see that there's like a little trimmer thing.
Yeah.
You see that?
It's just for.
I
have a small screwdriver to.
Not the top one, but the bottom one. Like if you look towards the point of the triangle, that one.
You mean this one?
Oh, the other one. The other one.
The top, this.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So that one is the tuning.
I found it.
Okay.
Good. So we'll try again with the radio.
So just find like a free space on the radio, like around, I don't know, around 198 megahertz. But just a space, obviously, where there's no signal. But it's probably better, Taro, if it's not metal, what you're...
Why not metal?
Because the metal acts as
I
kind
found
of...
this.
Sorry?
Just to... I found this just to adjust, but...
Like the metal close to it will change...
because it's also like an antenna a bit. Yeah. So I try to find something...
Or it can, I mean, it's just like the smallest amount of metal possible. Like, like, I mean, if you can't find it, then we just try with the metal, but...
the least metal possible. But I tried like this and put it away and then...
So we try
a bit more. And,
it's better than nothing.
So we need frequent...
I had something.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, this is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have something?
Yeah. If I touch the piezo, then I hear the pak.
Okay. Can I hear?
Wait, I take my headphones, the indirect version of monitoring.
I can hear voices.
Wait, I put the... We wait until they stop speaking. Well, here it is.
Yeah, I can hear. Yeah.
This is when I touch the piezo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I put it back in again.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You hear it?
No, I can hear you tapping, but not the. But with the, like, I hear these kind of strange radio noises.
Yeah.
That's coming from the radio.
That's coming from the radio, yeah.
It's still fixed frequency, like it's not changing.
It's like fixed frequency, yeah.
Okay. Sounds interesting. And now I can't hear it anymore.
Sometimes I can.
The strong, mainly it's the noise from the radio, what we can hear out of it. It's not as distinct as just the piezo with cabling.
Now I can't hear anything. Hello?
if you turn on the radio without any frequency from broadcast, official broadcast, it's just this. But no crackling, it's very low. You can hear a little bit, but
okay. Maybe the other thing I'm just trying to think is to try like the other trimmer to turn that up, because that's maybe let's try that.
The one I did not change yet.
Yeah. And see what that
which
changes.
Direction, just try out.
Try. I just have radio on and see how it changes, and then we can maybe try the other, like this wooden transmitter and stuff.
Here's the small screwdriver again from before. Just the tip you gave me before. Yes.
Anything?
Wait. No, I'm touching. But the sound we can hear is just when I turn the trim pot. So it was not the signal captured from the piezo. Which frequency you are? Just try to. And what are the trim pods? What is the function?
I mean, the top one should be like the amplification, and the bottom one is the tuning.
So I turn the amplification on the strongest. Yes. And try to find something with the trim pod.
But was it tuned? It was tuned before, though, no? Or But you did have a signal before, no?
Yeah, but just when I directly tipped with my finger on the piezo disc.
But I mean, at least that means that the transmitter is
working, yeah.
Yeah, but maybe it just needs more amplification, or
I think so, because the box sound is not strong. Tipping with finger is stronger than box crawling.
Sure. And one thing we can try is to use your circuit to go in to where the piezo goes in on this transmitter, if that makes sense. Yeah?
How?
So you have your like amplification circuit, and instead of having jack, you attach it to where the piezo would go in on the transmitter.
So here's the output.
Yeah. I mean, you can either use like, you would have to take off the transmitter, like unsolder it, and then maybe just use like crocodile clip, or just from the jack to the, if that makes sense.
This combine it inside your piezo. Yeah. So wait, I close it for rearranging. We need a cable, open end, and on the other side a jack. Yeah.
Wait.
There's a plier. Important is if we have it after in this box to be long enough, but if it's just half, then it's good, because then we could use both ends. With this? Wow, they are really trying to crawl in every gap and hole.
That's fine.
Maybe they short circuit something.
That would be nice.
So now it's time the bugs kill your bugs.
Yeah.
They are everywhere. So next time I'm gonna put it in, I will wrap it somehow, like, because you put it away, wait for a while, then there's coming out more and more and more. Like, it's really like they are everywhere.
But I wonder what they hope to find, no? I mean, what are they looking for?
So, yes, it's on all the time. Or should, no, there's another plug. So for hearing with. This is sound is right. The wood is from ground hum, is something else, but the crackling this is the bugs.
Oh yes.
Mm-hmm. This is a radio transmit and to change the yes, because there is the preamp in between, so the signal is stronger. Ah. Oh. It's not hot enough.
What's that?
It takes some time. It works. I worked all day long with it already, but it needs a while to. Oh yes, please. Oh, that is enough, I think. Yeah. Yes. Kind of, because the cable should also go inside. Just to test. Contact mic, yeah, Pietro. Everywhere. Yes, but I have to change it. Wait, this goes. There's still a mistake. I think. Wait. I have to think. This goes to the. No, it doesn't work like this. Because this is the output, and here is input. So it's a wrong connection. We did. So I have to use the preamp. I have to connect on a different position, not from the output. I have to connect to the input. So
But you have the output from the preamp going into the radio, no? The transmitter.
The output. Yes. So it should. No. Yeah. It was a mistake from my side. It's good. So we record the other box now.
Okay. Because tricky.
Some fine tuning. Yeah, that's it.
What was that?
So it's working if I touch the box, like we can clearly hear on the radio, but the crackling of the box is not the same as just direct out. And yeah, it's sensitive to feedback.
Yeah.
But just a little touch, it's audible on the radio.
But you still have the piezo on the transmitter, or you took it off?
I just switched to this, so the output goes to the position where your small piezo disc was mounted before directly. So I desoldered your your piezo. But it's not as distinct as just the piezo circuit.
But there's still. But can you hear something at least of the?
Not really. It's merging with the noise of the radio.
Okay. Yeah, and I'm not really looking for like a perfect signal. Otherwise, it doesn't make so much sense. But just as long as something is kind of changing or high.
Because yeah. No, it's not anymore. Yeah. So now we don't have any radio noise. But it's the maximum volume on the radio. If you turn the volume on the radio, then we get this feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe it's possible because the thing was also that when you were listening to Piezo before, you have headphones, so there's no feedback, and now you have like a live speaker.
Yeah, yeah.
You will.
Of course.
So it's hard to know. So maybe what we could do is try and record like the radio for like 2 minutes or 1 minute or something like this, just the output from the radio receiver, and then we can see what is there, because I think with the feedback it's not, you know, working. So just maybe
the
like
output of the radio, like a jack or something.
Yes, there is.
Mini jack, you need? Ah, you have, because I would also. And probably record, Martin suggested to record 1 minute or 2. Minutes, we're working on it.
Okay, no problem.
This one's yours, right?
This is the headphone I'm using, yeah, but you can, yes.
Because it was the other
Can take care of the box not crawling out then, because I have more adapters.
Oh.
Wait.
It's a full-time job to keep them contained.
I didn't really think about this at all. Before.
But after a while, you get used to it. It's still possible to handle.
I guess it must be the light or something that kind of keeps them more active.
Light and the vibration, and I have to snip them down from the walls, so they are more and more coming out.
Maybe like a special tool, no? Like a toilet brush.
Yeah, like a brush for cleaning or something. Like that.
It's like tick, 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 tick. Quick.
So if I do this, it's clearly...
No, the output is not working.
The output is not working of the radio.
Ah.
So again, the other one has this output also? Ah, yes. Wait.
Huh?
Wow.
What was that?
It was
Sounds interesting. And what I can hear.
I think the crackling of the box is merging with the noise of the radio.
Mm-hmm.
So there is not this low frequency hum.
Yeah.
Very clearly distinguishable from the. And now with the radio, we have this high frequency noise.
Mm-hmm.
So you cannot distinct. It's not clearly distinguishable between this radio noise and.
Mm-hmm. But you have recording.
Are you recording? One thing I noticed is there is some alteration of the sound. It's not just this. There's some really like this very high frequency sometimes, not all the time.
Yeah, what I'm kind of, because I'm thinking that also it's more about like how this one will work with the other transmitters. So when they're all together, then you get more of a shift across all of them. So, yeah, I think it's okay. But maybe we should start to make some kind of a plan for the next few days, or
yeah, definitely.
I'll get this email from Julie with like Thursday night we will have a test performance with Martin Howse, remote participating from Berlin. Which it's just the first that I hear about it, so you know.
Wait. I'm showing your face to screen at him.
I mean, it's,
Wait. Martin.
I mean, normally you would
Martin.
Normally you would 1 hour before, no?
No. You and Dab, it was again sent to you yesterday by email with the thing because it was already sent. We are actually doing the performance right here at the lab. Okay? Just a testing thing. But I do like to, because like it was very confusing while we were looking for someone to work with you. Like, you know, I asked Lai, and so like, you know, people from the Sierra Network Society know. So we asked them. But the whole performance is going to take place exactly here, like a work section is totally fine. Okay? Okay, don't worry. But it's in the program, yes.
Yeah, echoing. I just didn't know about it.
Shut up. I'm very busy.
You have to tell me 1 hour before, no? Not 2 days before. 1 hour.
Are you kidding? Listen, I'm going to actually send you this thing again. It was always in the program. No. This makes me angry. Even Dab doesn't know, because you also know we are having a talk.
Yeah, I know that.
On Thursday. Of course. And it was part of the at 9 to 10 p.m. we're having a performance like every other station.
No.
Okay. Don't get nervous on this. It's just we're doing right here.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Okay, hold on. I'm finding this email to send it back to you, so then you don't go crazy.
This one that says, here it says,
I'm sending this email to send to you, so you don't get crazy.
Schedule for artist presentation 3:15 to 3:45 Taipei time. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then it has like a kind of an image that stops at 4:30.
The image is because that's from the.
I sent it to you.
No, I saw that. I'm right on the email right now, but I'm gonna send it back to you again. Something else. Oh, shut up! And these guys are like having the fun, listening to me fighting to you. No, I'm sending to you back too. I saw that. I'm seeing it. It's right in front of me. You know, but actually, you saw the email sent to all the artists to invite them. That was always there. They know. Everybody knows except you.
Yeah, and so. Anyway, but we should plan with Taro and Xian the next 2 days, no?
An additional not sound source, but kind of a filter is I will try tomorrow to incorporate my electric violin
sound
with the piezo, and so just try to get as many different signals from the box, and what we do with it, I will have to speak about. For the moment, I'm quite glad that we catch any signals, that basically it's working.
What? The box is gonna complain about this or not? The box should be the one complaining that you have to make a performance.
No, the bugs are constantly copulating.
Copulating?
Yeah. As soon as you turn up the lights, they start moving and grabbing on each other, and it looks like copulation. I think they like it.
You hear that? Fucking bugs, huh?
Don't curse them. We love them.
That was a description, you know.
No, they are fucking the bugs, not fucking bugs. It's not fuck the bugs. It's fucking bugs.
Sound. Okay. I can't hear anything.
You hear us?
No, badly.
I hear you.
I hear, but very badly.
I hear you very clear as before.
Echoes. I guess more.
It's probably again the microphone from Julie.
Yeah, Julie.
How? Okay, shut up. I'm getting out of here. I get cursed all the time.
It's not cursing.
Okay.
So you're using a big plane piezo.
Yeah.
To collect the physical vibration.
Yes. So that's the sound of the crawling.
So
the movement.
Yes. So we cannot measure the sound from the air.
It's difficult, I guess. So this is the strongest or the clearest, strongest signal we can get at the moment. There's still some other devices to try.
But we don't have other device to try. I tried that. Okay.
The very sensitive microphone, there is no. Yeah.
Oh. So the FM project failed. Or
a little bit with the FM transmitter. I thought there is. It's not just this. There was a little bit more wherever from, but. This is the strongest, but this I thought I had the impression this radio circuit also works, but
you want to try the same piezo, the big one.
No, this is combined. I combined this piezo and preamp with the board, with the radio board. But another thing suggestion from you was this digital radio to have this clear frequency. Because these analog radios, they, by nature, they have this this noise.
But I like the noise.
Yeah, me too.
But I think once we try with the other transmitters, it should be a bit more interesting, maybe. But I think the one thing which we're going to have always as a question. What did she say? What did she say?
档案嘛，录下来的，有。
So what's the plan?
What would you say? Like there is still.
Louder.
What is this?
Louder. Louder?
我传给你。
What is this? It's another
amplifier. Microphone with amplifiers. We can still try the other.
This is a microphone.
Yeah.
So it's stereo.
For high frequency, also high frequency. This one is just amplifier, but the other one is like down converter. So the one, like when you see the bigger circuit.
This one.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. So this is like for back detection. So it's like, but the problem that we'll always have is with if we try to do something live with the sound, there's always going to be feedback.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So this we need to. So either you have delay, but then it's still feedback. So it's kind of difficult to, or you have pre-recordings that are then delayed. Like I don't know. We need to find a way to, and this is why I was always saying, like with the soundproofing, is like the main thing.
If we don't have this feedback issue, yeah. So this we cannot tell yet because everything is outside of the soundproofing we have.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, let's get in there.
Okay.
I can't hear so well.
Me or Julie?
Nobody.
No, I
Nobody. You hear nobody.
I say
Very
tomorrow
quiet.
we'll think up with the soundproofing. No?
What's that?
Yes, but first the prototypes need to work.
Yeah.
So otherwise it makes no sense to contain it.
So maybe tomorrow I can come earlier. Let's try this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for the other circuits, it would need this soundproofing. Otherwise, it makes no sense. Oh?
Yeah. I mean, everything needs soundproofing. Like, there's nothing which doesn't. I mean, there's no way. I don't know, of picking up the signal from the bugs. It's not vibration.
Yeah.
I mean, the only thing I don't know. I mean, I have a think about it today and try, just like if this delay thing works or something like this.
Yeah.
But I mean, the thing, like, I think we can definitely get signals from the bugs, but the question is like how to cut everything else out.
Yeah.
What?
No. I can still stay because I have my beer here.
No, I mean, I'm happy to go.
Let's negotiate.
Okay, we meet tomorrow, okay?
Yes. Do you have any task for us to
soundproofing?
The soundproofing thing.
Yeah. Like as much foam and like I think like I wouldn't. I mean, to be honest, like if we start with like the most extreme setup where you can't see the bugs, then at least we know something, you know. Like
another thing is I will prepare the aquarium with Teflon coating on the edges, so it's not as delicate anymore. They cannot crawl out anymore, and it makes things easier.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah,
but at least I'm for the moment I'm quite satisfied because it's not only bullshit. It's we got some some signals, some results.
No, it's good.
So let's elaborate.
Yeah, I think we just need like, I mean, even with the setup here with the tank, we just need foam underneath everything, like nothing.
Yeah, we have it, the foam. Yeah. But
really
today, because yesterday it was so complicated to open and close and open and close again, and this is too unnerving. But
okay,
your thing worked. The radio transmission. The next thing is we should put it in the soundproofing box.
Yeah,
also the other microphones and
the other
converting whatever.
We can try.
But one thing I suppose I think it's the high frequency, the ultrasonic frequencies not that strong.
No, I mean that was always.
So we have to work with kind of this crawling, crackling of the crawls.
And I think I would still like to do more with the ultrasonics, but it just needs more shielding. I mean, obviously, like the more that you amplify, the more it becomes important to keep everything else out. Yeah, I mean, even to the extreme of like trying to put them in like a tin covered in the foam in another tin and just see how this, you know, just like.
So tomorrow I will bring just for testing this metal box.
Yeah, and the metal box for the. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy. Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Looking forward. Tiny bit late as usual.
Tomorrow we should be on time.
Okay.
Today it was a little bit late, but tomorrow I would prefer to. No, it was also us late. It was not only you, but tomorrow we try to be on time because time is limited.
Yeah.
With this time difference, but yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So I try to clean your circuit, and then I'm done for today.
Yeah. Okay. Enjoy. See you tomorrow.
Yes, you too. See you tomorrow.
Ciao.
Ciao.